Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I want to test the capabilities of the standard factory tires. Can they conquer the slippery red dirt track? I haven't fixed the natural climbs yet. Yesterday I tried bigger and softer tires. Now I will replace them with standard tires. Thank you very much, friends, for coming from all over the world. I am very happy for your attention and cooperation. I will never forget those who came. Let's see the capabilities of this RC RGT Land Cruiser again. Can it conquer the obstacles that lie ahead?